Hello, and thank you for joining me today. In this quick update video, we'll be covering a couple enhancements to the new user interface. This new update is focused on helping manage training, support, and subscription. The first place users or administrators will actually notice the difference is here on the Snapshot panel. This panel has been updated and will now let users see how much training time is remaining available out of what was originally set. It'll also allow them to track the end of their support contract as well as the end of their subscription. Clicking on any of these will take you to a new updated account information section, as long as you have the correct permissions. Those users without the correct permissions will actually see a special message, and I'll touch more on that here in a bit. Options for contacting support and training have also been added to the help icon for any users who do not utilize the Snapshot panel. For anyone wondering what happened to the par level data circles that used to be here in Snapshot, well, they'll actually find them in the new panel, Stock Information. Administrators and any users with appropriate permissions will be able to access the updated account information section. Here, the administrators will have a link to be able to schedule additional training hours with ASAP systems. If no training hours are available, there's also a link to purchase more. If you remember, I mentioned there was a special message that would show up for those users without proper permissions. Well, here in the custom notification sections, the administrator can actually specify what that message is going to say. So whether it's simple as adding in a name or completely rewriting this to have specific contact information, it's all built in. While we're here in the account information page, let's also jump down to another new section, Subscription End of Life. In this newly updated section, renewals can be easily requested right through BarCloud simply by hitting the Renew Your Subscription button. This will send a message to our renewals department who will reach right out. Last, but certainly not least in the account information page, is the Support End of Life section. Several new options have been added here so that administrators are easily able to upgrade their plan, renew an existing plan, schedule support calls, or even add more authorized users. Administrators in standard or higher packages will also find several new options for controlling which security groups can access the options for the available training, payment information, subscription end of life, and support end of life. Any users who can simply view the support or subscription information will actually receive that special message that we discussed and configured earlier. Anyone who does not need to know or have access to this information can simply have their view rights removed. Whenever a user or administrator needs to schedule the training, they'll simply click on any of the available options for schedule training. This will open up a new tab in the browser that'll take them directly into a scheduling system so they can choose 30-minute or an hour training, which person of our staff, or which opening time frame that is going to be better suited for their needs. From there, you can add in your contact information as well, put in special notes if there are certain topics that need to be covered, and book the training right away. That wraps it up for this update. We'll hope you'll enjoy the new visibility and available options. Be sure to stay tuned for the next update video.